Now that we've been introduced to SQL, it's time to learn about how to use it, and that's where commands come in. Since SQL is a declarative query language, this means users tell the system what data to retrieve, and that is done using commands. There are 4 types of SQL commands: data definition language, or DDL, data query language, or DQL, data manipulation language, DML, and data control language, or DCL. Another type you might encounter is transaction control language. Data definition language, or DDL, are commands used to create, modify, or delete tables or groups of tables, also called a schema, in your database, rather than the actual data within the tables. Example commands are create, drop, alter, truncate, and rename. The most common type of command you'll work with is data query language, or DQL, which deals with querying data within schemas of the database, essentially getting the data from the database. The most important DQL command is the select statement, which we will talk about in depth in the following videos. Data control language, or DCL for short, deals with permissions and general control of the database system. Grant and revoke are the 2 DCL commands you'll commonly encounter. Data manipulation language, or DML, commands allow you to manipulate existing data in a database and deal with control of who can actually access the data. DML commands include insert, update, delete, and lock. And the 5th category, transaction control language, or TCL, are commands that give the user the ability to manage changes made to the data by DML commands. TCL commands include commit, rollback, and save point. These 5 command types cover most of the actions you can use when working with data in databases through the power of SQL. Next, we'll learn about the data types you can use these commands on, followed by a deeper look into data query language specifically, as promised.